they have it's a long story, but they got rid of the pro-Russian government here. They had a Maidan revolution. They had 2 or 3 people wanting to be. There was a comedian, a popular comedian in Ukraine, named Zelenskyy.
I've heard that name.
Yes. And they chose him. And the person who chose him was the woman in the State Department, forget her name right now, who quit recently because she's so upset about how it's going. But she brought Zelenskyy in. There's a cable that got quoted in WikiLeaks, bring in the comedian. She had a sense of humor. We're bringing in a comedian. They brought in the comedian. He was a good actor. He puts on the valiant struggler leader persona nicely. And they make announcements. They're working to bring Ukraine into NATO. And he says, okay, we're done. 2 days later, they invade. I mean, he had been building troops and moving them to the border, so people knew. The United States knew weeks, maybe even months, what was going to happen. But they thought it was still bluffing. All right, now he's at the next level of bluff. It isn't just, he's moving the troops, but he moved the troops, and then 2 days after the last time, he did it. Okay, so now what? Now the United States is caught. They have a plan in their hallucination. They're going to carve Russia up. Russia's not going to be the big colossus it used to be. You know, a country that goes from the Pacific Ocean all the way to the North Sea. That's always been the dream. Be very easy to manipulate 20 little republics like Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan and Azerbaijan and Armenia, all of which were republics before. So they want to carve it up into republics and get the more moderate ones say, no, we just want to slap Russia on the wrist. It's easy to do now. All of it was a mistake. They misunderstood the BRICS, misunderstood their own position in the world economy. They don't get it. They still don't.